Hindi mahilig sa gulay? Laging fast food at processed meals? Minsan napapansin mo na rin siguro na parang madaling mapagod sa araw-araw, minsan feeling bloated or heavy, parang kulang na sa energy. Gustong mag-start ng healthier habits pero hindi mo alam paano? Baka sign lang yan na time na para maging mindful sa daily choices mo. Start small, start smart. Kung hirap ka magdagdag ng greens sa daily routine mo, mas convenient na way para makapag-start. Try Sylvia barley grass. It is a source of natural vitamins, minerals, fiber, na bahagi ng balanced diet. With chlorophyll from natural greens, may antioxidants commonly found in plant-based foods. It is also easy to prepare, perfect for a busy lifestyle. Hindi kailangan ng perfect agad. Importante, nagsisimula ka. Choose healthy, choose Sylvia. Simulan mo na today.